In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make selections on Shein's website, particularly focusing on selecting and filtering categories for a smoother shopping experience. This guide is perfect for those who might be new to online shopping or just looking to refine their online shopping skills. First things first, start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Shein website. Shein is a popular online retail destination known for offering a wide variety of fashion items, from clothing and shoes to accessories and home goods. If you're not already registered on the site, you might want to consider creating an account before you begin browsing, as it can make the checkout process quicker and track your order history. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to explore the different sections. The user interface is designed to be fairly intuitive. You'll notice options for various departments like women's, men's, kids, and even home. However, one of the most efficient ways to navigate the site is by using the Categories button. It's a helpful tool located at the top part of the site. Clicking on Categories will present you with a list that organizes items based on different themes and departments. For our demonstration, let's go ahead and click on Categories. Upon doing so, you'll be taken to a new page filled with options subdivided into multiple sections, such as clothing, accessories, and shoes. Picking the right category can greatly ease your shopping journey, making it simple to find exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through a vast sea of products. Now, let's say we're particularly interested in shopping for shoes today. We want to narrow down our choices to something more specific, and scrolling endlessly might not be the most efficient option. Direct your cursor to the left-hand side of the page, where you'll find a feature labeled Filter. This is a fantastic resource for customizing your shopping experience further. For shoes, you can select filters for specific sizes, colors, styles, and even material preferences. Just click on the criteria that match what you're looking for, and the website will automatically refresh to display items that match your selections. Utilizing the Categories button and filters not only saves time, but also refines your shopping, allowing you to focus on what truly interests you. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to having an enjoyable and efficient shopping experience on Shein. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your next shopping trip on Shein that much smoother. Feel free to explore other features on the site, and happy shopping!